Hello guys. If your hotel collection diffuser suddenly starts showing a flashing green light and stops working the way it normally should, it can feel absolutely frustrating, especially when fragrance output suddenly changes without warning. Sometimes the hotel collection diffuser continues running while the green light keeps blinking, while other times the diffuser stops diffusing scent completely and leaves people wondering what actually happened. A situation like this can happen because of oil flow interruptions, setup issues, loose connections, or temporary system glitches that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are few simple things worth checking because many hotel collection diffuser flashing green light issues can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a hotel collection diffuser green light flashing. Step 1. Check the hotel collection diffuser and confirm fragrance oil levels are not too low. Step 2. Inspect the power connection linked with the hotel collection diffuser if the green light keeps flashing. Step 3. Reposition the oil bottle inside the hotel collection diffuser and confirm it fits securely. Step 4. Check tubing attached to the hotel collection diffuser if scent output suddenly feels weak. Step 5. Restart the hotel collection diffuser briefly and allow the system to refresh normally. Step 6. Test the hotel collection diffuser again and confirm the flashing green light stops properly.